Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if images are missing, blank, blurry or simply not appearing in Adobe Acrobat in 2026, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by display settings, rendering problems, corrupted PDF files, outdated Acrobat versions or hardware acceleration conflicts. So the good news, most image display issues in Adobe Acrobat can be fixed in just a few minutes. Okay, so first thing you can do is restart Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so before trying anything advanced, close Adobe Acrobat completely. Reopen the PDF, check if the images appear. So this clears temporary rendering issues and it refreshes PDF content. So this simple step often solves random display problems. You can also update Adobe Acrobat, like older Acrobat versions may have rendering bugs. So open Acrobat, click Help, and select check for updates and install available updates. So this fixes image rendering issues. So it improves also PDF compatibility. Okay, so always use the latest version available. You can also disable enhanced security temporarily, like security settings can sometimes block PDF content. So open Acrobat, go to edits, then preferences, and then security enhanced, and then temporarily disabled enhanced security, and then reopen the PDF. Okay, so it allows blocked content to load. It helps identify security related issues and re-enable security after testing. Okay, so you can also turn off hardware acceleration, like graphics rendering problems are common causes, like go to edit, preferences again, page display, and disable use hardware acceleration. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.